Morning, everybody. Today here at Flights for Food, we're going to be going to LaGrange. There's a little Mediterranean place, Myrtle. Going to be going out there to check out some Mediterranean food. And one of those things, I know we haven't talked about it, but I kind of want to go in a little bit detail. Flights for Food, what we're trying to do is get pilots aware of different airports that we can go out to and check out the FBO, the facilities, if they have crew cars, what kind of amenities they have, and then of course some local food that's nearby. And we try and hit up local owned restaurants, you know, mom and pop kind of things, local people starting their own businesses. And everybody has chains or franchises, but we wanted to even let the hometown people or people know from outside and around, you know, there's different places you can go to versus the franchises and chains. So, you know, this is to open up things for pilots as well as for the regular person, whether you're driving through town or if you're local, if you've been there or not, or if you've lived there, but let's say you haven't gone and experienced it because you don't know about it. So that's all we're trying to do is expand everybody's knowledge. We're based out of Middle Georgia, Perry, Papa X-Ray Echo. We generally fly in the state if we're doing something for lunch-ish. If we were able to get together over the weekend, then we kind of fly out a little bit. I think in a couple of weeks we're going to be trying to hit up Eufaula, Alabama. I know we've got some dates in Florida we're supposed to be going, as well as I think we're supposed to be going to Biloxi to check out a baseball team. In April, I think it is. So, you know, it's one of those things, we're trying to book up things, get some things pieced together as much in advance as we can. And, you know, all it is about going out and seeing new things, new experiences, seeing life in the world from a new point of view. So that's it, Flights for Food. We're just going out to have a great time and see the new world. Thanks for watching.